Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the main control board in your washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to remove the timer knob. You can use string or wire to help pull it off. Next, insert a putty knife under the control panel to release the two spring clips. Then rotate the panel forward. Note the location of the control board wires, then disconnect them along with the wire retaining clip. Remove the mounting screws securing the control board to the panel, and lift out the old board. Install the new control board by inserting the tab into the slot in the panel. Then position and secure the board with the mounting screws. Connect the wires to the new board. Be sure to secure the retaining clip and position the wires under the retaining tabs. Align the control panel on the top edge of the upper access panel. Now insert the rear tabs of the control panel into the slots in the main top and snap the panel into position. Replace the knob. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and recalibrate the washer to ensure a good wash performance. To do this, first cancel the settings by holding the Start button for 3 seconds. Now, within 8 seconds, evenly rotate the timer selector knob counterclockwise 1 click, clockwise for 3 clicks, then 1 click counterclockwise followed by a final clockwise click. All of the LED indicator lights should be flashing. Now turn the timer knob so only the rinse LED indicator light is on, and press the Start button to begin calibration. The calibration cycle will run for approximately 3 to 4 minutes and will be completed when the lid unlocks and the washer enters standby mode. Once calibrated, your washer is ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.